guys, welcome back to Day with Danica. Today I have my brother here. He's back there somewhere. And we're gonna teach you how to draw a truck. These are one of the trucks he made. We're gonna show you all the trucks he made so far. Here. Spread those out. Yeah. And we're just gonna show you. So that is a John Deere Gator.
Why is it not focusing? Move your head. Move your head shadow. That's what it's made.
That is something. That is another truck. That's a John Deere tractor.
It's a boat.
That's a boat. And that is another like truck. So he's going to teach you how to draw a, what's it called? A truck.
A truck. Alright, first you want to make, actually hold on, I'm going to do this in a pen.
Pen?
Yeah.
You don't got a pen.
Alright, so first you want to make a little, tiny little lip first. Then you want to come straight back until like right there maybe, about 2 or 3 inches. Then you want to go up like a little bit.
And if he's going too fast, you could pause the video and like see what he's doing. Because his hand's blocking half of it.
Got that?
Mm-hmm.
And then you're going to go this way. Stop right about, a little more. Right about there. And then come right down. A little past that maybe. Like that. And then go back for the bed of the truck. To like, just stop like right here. And go down. And just go over a tiny bit and then stop. Now you're gonna make the wheel wells, and you can make it like with something
Like circly.
circly. So I'm trying to find like a little.
Use that.
What?
A container.
No, it's too big.
There's nothing else.
Yeah, there is. Hold on. There's something.
Let's just focus on something else. Like, maybe the boot we made on our Cricut. And all the autographs.
Alright, it's fine. Just put it up in my hand.
He'll draw it by his hand so you can't find anything.
Just curve up.
Unless you want to use something that you have at home, it's fine. But we can't find anything since we're in this hot room.
Oh, shut it. And then you're gonna go this way. You don't have to do what I'm doing. It's just quicker doing that. And then stop like, I think I went too far. But like, stop here. I'm just gonna, and then make another wheel well. And then come over a little. And then you're gonna match this down with this here. There you go. And then you're gonna make the light here. That. We'll draw the wheel after. First you wanna draw down here. Make the front window. And then draw the door line down. Just messed up. It's not gonna look as good because I'm doing it kind of quick.
You could spend 24 hours doing this.
Yeah, I could. But I don't wanna.
I like the doorknobs. Whatever those things are called.
the door handles.
Mm-hmm.
There, and then we'll make the wheels now. We'll just like
Still,
do
you
it by
could
hand.
Still, you could use something at home, like circular, like a tiny cup or something, if you don't want to draw it by hand.
It is kind of hard drawing it by hand, a circle.
Well, a straight circle.
Oh, well, see how I just messed up here?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. This is going to be so sloppy.
And also, you don't have to use pen,
Yeah, you can use pencil. You can erase it. I'm just using pen right now.
so it's quicker.
Make the hitch. Alright, there you go. Not as good again.
And now you have to draw. Thank you guys for watching Day with Danica. We'll see you on the next one.